slavery. During the American Civil War, Elizabeth and Susan formed an abolition group. They got over 300,000 people to sign petitions that called to end slavery. After the war, they pushed for voting rights for everyone. However, only Black men gained the right to vote. Back to the women's movement. In 1866, Elizabeth became the first woman to run for Congress. In 1869, she and Susan started the National Women's Suffrage Association, a group that fought for voting rights. She wanted laws rewritten to include women. Elizabeth was president of the group for 20 years. Elizabeth worked for more than voting rights. Her work for divorce, fair pay, and more caused some groups to cast her out, but that didn't stop her. Having learned in childhood how important laws were, Elizabeth kept pushing for new laws and changes to old laws. Never afraid to speak. Elizabeth fought for many years for women's suffrage. She died in 1902 and wasn't able to see women get the right to vote 18 years later. Still, Elizabeth helped bring about many important changes. You live in a better world today because of Elizabeth Cady Stanton.